long you plan on keeping us locked up? What do we have to do to earn our freedom?
Prove to me that you're not a threat.
My mom was a nurse. She got stuck by a needle trying to restrain a junkie in the ER. She got HIV.
Do whatever you need to do to get yourself back home. Because I'm gonna be here. What happened?
You were shot.
There is no leg wound. It's almost completely healed.
How is that possible?
I don't know.
She's not to be left alone. Never.
Yes, sir.
I can't go near the control interface room or use the stones to visit my mom.
Well, it's only temporary, just till we figure out what's going on.
Lieutenant, time for a shift change. I'll take over from here.
Oh, it's okay. I don't mind.
Colonel's orders, I'm afraid. I promise I won't let her out of my sight.
It's all right.
Okay. I'll check in on you later.
Come with me.
What is this?
A place for study. Problems to solve. Does any of this look familiar to you? Take your time. Look closely.
Settling in?
Yes. Nice quarters. Come in.
The ancients probably figured they'd be here a while. Might as well give themselves some measure of comfort.
How long will they be tagging along with us?
As long as you give them reason to. One of your men, Simeon.
Yes, I know. I heard, and I'm sorry. He's not the most diplomatic person in our group. The culture on his homeworld was rougher than most.
Colonel Young has decided to release him, but if he slips up again...
I'll talk to him. We're trying to make this work.
He needs to try harder.
Give us a minute. Back inside. I won't let you ruin this for us.
She's talking to the woman.
You want to get us all locked up for good?
What difference does it make?
Sooner or later, they're gonna realize the information we've been feeding them is just a bunch of lies anyway.
Information you've been feeding them.
What are you talking about? I thought we were all giving them the same misinformation.
We're cooperating with them, all of us. We have to find a way to get along with these people.
You want me to play the game, I'll play it, but I'm not taking
Don't play
it.
I'm
not taking it.
Don't play any game at all. Just keep your mouth shut.
Again with this? No gates.
Altered course.
Bet you a day's rations he doesn't answer. Dr. Rush, this is Brody. Come in. Dr. Rush, please respond. You owe me.
I never agreed to that.
I don't think it's because of pulsar damage. There would be a pattern to the jump intervals, however frequent they are.
There's also the changes in the ship's course once we drop out of FTL.
Also seems too coincidental that every time this happens, we can't seem to get a hold of Rush.
He's doing this. How?
Outside of cracking the master code? I don't know.
Figure it out.
Yeah, we could really use Eli for that.
Eli's not here right now.
Well, you can get him back.
He needs to be where he is right now, so I need you to figure it out. Why is your radio off?
Sorry, I was in my quarters sleeping.
Wrong. You didn't answer my call. I sent Corporal Barnes to your quarters. Where were you?
Okay, so what's happening? What's wrong?
Just trying to figure out what's going on with Destiny.
Where the hell were you? What's this?
I come here to think.
And right on the walls?
Working on problems that have confused us since we set foot in this ship, Mr. Brody. This one has been particularly frustrating. And yet Chloe, she solved it in a minute flat. Whatever alien influence she's under, it's studying this ship.
So, you think she's hijacked the ship's system during one of her blackouts?
Something she could have set in motion days, perhaps even weeks ago.
This section's off limits.
Wasn't earlier.
It is now.
Why?
Back to your quarters.
You gotta keep doing this, ain't you? Pushing me. Get me to do something so you can lock me back up.
Back to your quarters.
Why are you talking tough? You're armed. You got your men here covering you.
That's true. Yeah. Dismissed.
You were saying.
It's coming up now. There.
And she just sits there the whole time.
Yes, an earlier one she wrote in the diary, but mostly she just sits or lays still, staring at the walls. I still can't detect any physical changes in her without proper equipment. I don't really know what else I can do. Colonel, I know you're just doing this to keep her away from others, but quarantine is not a long-term solution.
I know.
Look, it's relatively simple. From what I've learned so far, I believe the chair will not allow any non-human to interface with it. There's safeguards built in that will destroy any alien life form that tries to use it.
So the chair kills off any potential alien matter inside her while leaving her human side unaffected.
Exactly.
You believe, meaning you're not sure.
Well, no. I can't be absolutely certain.
It's too dangerous.
Look, I've made improvements to the program I developed when I used the chair. It should prevent her from being harmed.
You sure you're okay with this?
Yes, I'm fine.
It's all right. The chair won't activate till I input the proper command.